Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. An equilateral triangle has side length 13 centimeters. What is the area of a region of all the points outside the equilateral triangle that are within 4 centimeters of the triangle? Now, this is given that all the points which are within 4 centimeters of the triangle. Now, if we observe, this is a rectangle and such we get 3 rectangles. Now since these are rectangles, we can say that these are right angles. These are right angles. So this angle will be 120 degree. Let's see how. We know at a point, sum of all angles is 360 degrees. Therefore, we can say this is 60 degrees, this is 90, 60 plus 90 plus 90. This is 60 degrees because it's an angle of equilateral triangle. This is 60 degrees because it's an angle of equilateral triangle. So plus this angle, let's call it x degrees, equal to 360 degrees. So if we calculate, we get x equal to 90 plus 90, which is 180. 360 minus 180 is 180. And now 180 minus 60 will get 120 degrees. So we get all of these angles as 180 degrees. Let me write it here. These angles are, sorry, not 180, 120 degrees. So x degrees is 120 degrees. Now, since now we have angles, we can easily calculate all those areas. For this rectangle, length equal to 13 centimeters and breadth equal to 4 centimeters, which is given. And we can therefore calculate area equal to length into breadth equal to 13 into 4, which is 52 centimeters square. Now there are 3 such rectangles, therefore area of rectangles equal to 3 into 52, which is equal to 156 centimeters square. Now we need to find the area of these 3 sectors. So for sectors, what we have is radius is given as 4 centimeters because all the points which are within 4 centimeters from this point will make a sector, that is part of circle. So, and also we have theta, that is angle, equal to 120 degrees. Therefore, we know area of sector is equal to pi r square theta by 360, which will be pi 4 square 120 by 360. 120 by 360. Now this is 1 by 3, so we get pi by 3 4 square. Now there are 3 such sectors. Let me write this under here. Yes. Now there are 3 such sectors. 4 square. So therefore area of all sectors, will be equal to 3 multiplied by pi by 3 4 square, which is equal to 3 gets cancelled out and we get 16 pi. Therefore total area will be sum of areas of all rectangles plus sum of areas of all sectors, which is equal to 156 plus 16 pi. If we look at the options, what we have here is, yes, answer is option B.